Hey there friends, glad you were here. Let's talk about Bbig here. So when we talk about stocks right now, it's really hard to get a fine line detail of what we're really looking at here because the whole market is, if you've been in the stock market here for even a month, you're obviously saying something's very wrong here. And yeah, something is, we are seeing inflation increase, the Fed is constantly putting out bad news, and right now, I think we're in this big crash that we've been talking about that, just ongoing. So obviously with Finical Ventures being right in the talks and in the same business and ownership and everything of Lomotive, that really brings a lot of peace to a lot of people because when you're buying into Finical Ventures, obviously you're buying into Lomotive there too. And out of all of these businesses that are wrapped up in one big smorgasbord, Lomotive is really the one that people are really, really interested in because obviously it's a very, very close contender to TikTok. So guys, here's where I'm personally at with Bbig here. Obviously, there's a lot of news that is coming out with this company still. I mean, right now, I don't want to sound like a dead record, but obviously, I've said this before that the company is in a huge shift right now. There's, things going on, mergers. They've just replaced their whole board. A lot of stuff is going on inside this company. And obviously, there's a lot of things going on in this company that have not even been made public, I'm sure, and where they're going, what they're thinking. And I'm going to be honest, the stock is obviously playing around this $3 to $2.30 zone. We've seen this kind of back and forth, and $2.30 has been the lowest we've seen here in quite a while, right before it took off to that big upswing here in September, when obviously in August it was trading right under $3. So when this ends, I don't know. We're still in this huge, humongous smorgasbord of Democrats are really trying to get this huge bill passed. Inflation is still going up. It has not flattened out at this moment. But personally, here's what I think, and here's what some other people are thinking too, that this could definitely get worse, obviously. This could definitely get worse. But I'm expecting it to get better. And when I say better, I'm expecting it to get a lot better to where the stock market actually starts grabbing a lot of these growth stocks, these penny stocks, and stocks that do well on their own, but are still kind of being held back right now. I really do expect somewhere mid-year, once people get their taxes back, once we see summer vacations come in, people start spending a little bit more money. I believe we're going to see an uptrend in crypto especially, but I think we're going to see an uptrend in stocks and business. And, obviously this is what we're hoping for. And right now we're in some terribly, terribly muddy waters. And I say all this to say that when we look at Finical Ventures, we're looking at something that, honestly, yes, it is falling apart here, as everything is. But I do believe in this company with what they're trying to do if they can pull it off. So I can't say right now, I still can't say yet that I'm bearish on Bbig. I'm still very bullish on it. Volume has not been anything to talk about. It's just been surviving at this point. We've not really seen much in volume. But with this being January, we're going to start to see more quarterlies come out here through the end of January, February. With a lot more stocks, Bbig will be right in that situation, and obviously they're going to be releasing some news here pretty soon. They're doing a lot of things right now. They're building a lot of new stairs on top of their already existing staircase, and I'm pretty excited about where they're going. And when we get this market back, it's not if, it's when this market comes back here, and other stocks that are like Bbig especially, Finical Ventures here, can start attaching itself to the good, strong muscle of the market. I believe it's going to be able to sustain a $4 to $5 mark. And if they can pull off what they're trying to do with the cryptoid spin-off company, there's going to be a lot of things going on here in the future with this company that are going to be maybe some golden nuggets. So friends, I just want to put that out there where I'm at with this. I had some weird comments a few weeks ago where people were saying that I had abandoned this stock and, why would I do that? I didn't abandon it. I've just been talking about other things. And honestly, there hasn't really been anything to talk about as of late that I haven't already talked about with it. And that's kind of just the general market right now. We're just seeing everything is taking abuse right now. And that's just the movie we're in right now. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.